The next set of numbers in the branch of mathematics is the whole numbers, continued from the set of natural numbers. So what are whole numbers? So let's discuss about whole numbers in this session. Whole numbers are the numbers which start from 0. It's very simple because every natural number along with a 0 is a whole number. Say for example, I have my natural numbers revisited to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to infinity is what we have discussed in the previous session. Then whole numbers is nothing but natural numbers and including 0 is what we identify the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. So with this we understand that the set of whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the only additional difference being 0 between the natural numbers and the whole numbers. 0 along with a natural number is a whole number, is how we identify through the words. Zero along with natural numbers is a set of whole numbers, and this is denoted always by capital W. 0 along with natural numbers is a set of whole numbers denoted by capital W. Let's do some example problems to understand the concept of whole numbers more better. Now that we have understood about the whole numbers and the difference of whole numbers as compared to the set of natural numbers, let's try with some example problems to understand the concept more stronger. For example, I have is (7.1) a whole number is my question. 7.1, let's try to see if it can be expressed as a whole number. So I take this the number 7.1 out here, and this, when I express it in a non-decimal form, can be expressed in the form 71/10. So 7.1, the decimal form, is expressed in the non-decimal form 71/10, and this clearly states that because the denominator is not 1, and as we have discussed about the natural numbers and the whole numbers being all natural numbers including 0, this cannot be a whole number. It is instead not a natural number too. Therefore, 7.1, which is expressed in the fraction form, cannot be a natural number, and equally this also cannot be a whole number, is how we understand the concept of whole numbers. Now let's try to see some complex examples to understand the concept of whole numbers more stronger. For example, I have the question which says is √32 minus 2 power 5 a whole number. Or I take this to be √64 minus 2 cube a whole number, is the question I have put forth here. So for this, let's try to see the justification of this being a whole number or not a whole number by first trying to simplify the given number, because every number which is being justified demands for the most simplified form. So let's try to simplify further and then justify for this number being a whole number or not a whole number. The given question is √64 minus 2 cube. As we know that root 64 is 8 because 8 square is 64 under root, which gives me 8. So root 64 is 8 minus 2 cube, which we know is 2 times and 2 times, which further gives me 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8, and this finally simplifies to 8 minus 8, which is 0. Now I have the most simplified form of this to be 0. So 0 is a whole number, as we clearly know that the set of whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Therefore, this belongs to whole number, that is indirectly root 64 minus 2 cube is a whole number. Also, it is very important to note that this is not a natural number, but root 64 minus 2 cube is not a natural number, because we have clearly seen that n starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. and whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And therefore, this is where I have this belongs to W, but here it does not belong to n. 0 is part of whole numbers, but 0 is not part of natural numbers. Is how we understand the difference between set of whole numbers, capital W, and set of natural numbers, capital N.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.